Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of us working on the Supra. Today's video we're going to be removing the front bumper bar and routing the intercooler piping with the intercooler on there. Going to be mocking up the exhaust manifold, putting the turbo on there just to mock up, just to see where everything sits. Follow us through the video and hope you enjoy. Here on the table in front of us we've got laid out the manifold, the turbo, all the required fittings and hoses, silicone joiners, and the rest of the intercooler kit, together with the blower valve that CX Racing supplied, but we'll probably swap that out in the near future, and our wastegate here. So what we're going to do now is going to start officially pulling the Supra apart by taking the front bumper off first and start mounting the intercooler kit. And the last screw is out. The bumper bar is off.
We got it off.
All these screws. That bag is full of screws. Fought with it, but it's off. Now I'm to be forming up the intercooler, all the piping, seeing where it goes.
Please.
Don't scratch the Supra. And we got our standard exhaust manifold off with the O2 sensors. So our manifold is mounted just for mock-up. We fit the turbo on top of there, and we're just seeing where our oil drain and oil feed lines are going to go. I don't know if you can see it from this video, but maybe I'll take the manifold off so we can have a proper look. We're just taking off the exhaust manifold off right now so I can show you guys where the oil drain is going to be, which is an existing spot on the sump already. That's coming out from there. So oil drain is going to be from this right here. We're going to have to tap 2 thread holes in that top part there and the bottom part there, and cut out the center insert with a tap, and that is where our oil drain is going to be with this supply fitting from Golby's Parts. If I can just find it right here. So that is going to be bolted up on there, and that's where our hose goes. And our oil feed is going to bolt up right here on the oil pressure sensor, right there where the wire's coming out of. And we're going to put a T-piece junction on there and screw this shiny boy on there. So we're going to have to go to the shop to get the fittings and the proper hoses for that. So now we are going to get to routing up the special intercooler hoses, pipes. So we'll just get them mocked up also. And then once we're happy with the way it looks, we shall start tightening everything up. As you can see here, in the way of the intercooler where the pipes are supposed to go, we've got these plastic shrouds here, which bolts up to the inner wheel well, which we're going to have to cut out or remove. On this side it looks like we can, yeah, it looks like we're going to have to cut it. And on this side Nick's already cut the parts from here, but now putting the pipe on, as you can see, we're going to have to just chop up a little bit more of this plastic piece around here, because here's where this U-shaped intercooler pipe is supposed to go.
That's just for the CX Racing intercooler kit. I'm sure there's a solution out there where you don't have to do this. It's what we're working with right now, so we're just going to do it. These pieces aren't too hard to find.
And we don't want to cut it off from all the way at the back. We want to keep this last bolt here, so we can mount our inner wheel well.
Yeah.
So it's nice and sturdy there.
Hey guys, so today we're working on the togeather Supra. You know what I mean? Got the intercooler piped up, you know what I mean? Nicholas here is just playing with the, you know what I mean?
Slides, gang!
Oh, that's the only way to work on the Supra, in the slides. Look at that spoolie boy. Come close up, ready? Watch his ball bearing turbo. God.
Oh, that's spoolie boy! So guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We've got to installing the front mount intercooler, all the piping. We've just roughly mocked up the roll valve, the turbo and the manifold. We've got all the plumbing where we want it, so next episode we might even take it back off, get them painted, and then clamp them up for one last time, and put the front bumper back on. Tune into next week's video, where we'll be installing the oil feed, oil drain lines, getting the taps made for them also. Also the water feed and returns, together with the fuel pump, injectors, clutch, and all the other usual stuff that you need for a turbo on the car. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.